Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to upload file with the help of Selenium. So for that, again the commands are same. First few commands are common, so we're going to write the same thing, that is driver, assign WebDriver, import this dot using Firefox. Here I'll write driver.get. So alright, I'll tell you the scenario where I'll be working. So this is one of the demo website. Here you will click on choose file, file will be selected, and then we'll click on upload button. So first we'll copy the URL, Control C, go to PyCharm, inverted quotes, paste this. Now we will take element locator for this element here because we want to click on this and choose file. So here, inspect, copy this, go to PyCharm, and here write driver.find element. We need to import by, so let's write by, import this dot id, comma, in inverted quotes we can pass the value for id. Now you will be writing dot send keys. Yes guys, in order to upload a file you will write the path of the file in send keys, location of the file in the send keys. I want to send file is in the D drive, so it is D drive. My file name is sample.txt. After this, I want to upload the file also. So look at this. Upload. I want to click on this button. So right click on this, inspect element for this also. And ID is file submit. Control C. Now driver dot find element by dot ID. Value for that, and I want to click on this button, so dot click. Done. Let's see how it works. We'll execute this. It opened the URL and it is done. File is uploaded. If you want to see with the wait event, you want to see step by step, you can add wait event in it. So for example, after this I want my script to wait, so I'll write time.sleep and please wait for 5 seconds. Look at this. Sample text is uploaded and now they'll click on the upload button. This is how you can upload file with the help of Selenium. I hope guys you understood how to upload the files. This is quite simple code. So please practice this as much as possible. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.